So while that's doing, we're gonna get the blue paint, or the blue food coloring, the slime activator,
Water. You need blue water.
oh yeah, the water. So while this is running, we're gonna put the other one in a little bit more.
Okay, that's actually good, I think.
And now we're gonna mix the ingredients up. First, we put a little bit of activator.
So you don't want that much.
Then we're gonna put a little bit of water. Then we're gonna put a little bit of color in it with this tiny little spoon. And now we're gonna mix it all up. Now we're gonna mix it up with our hands because it's ready. Gonna put a little bit more glue. This glue doesn't come out.
Let's try the other one.
Oops, sticky. Gonna put a little bit of more glue, a little bit of more activator, and a little bit more water.
Look, I didn't do anything. That's not.
I wanna rock with somebody. It's gonna be some good slime.
Thomas, you need a.
I wanna make shots with somebody.
You need a. Here.
I wanna make it big.
So you need to add a little
More glue.
And I'm gonna take just the. This is a messy table now.
Gonna put a little bit of water.
Or more blue.
We're gonna put a little bit of
That water.
Borax activator, I guess.
We're gonna
Liquid
put a little bit more.
borax.
We're gonna put a little bit of
The
more
reader.
of the coloring. So now
Make it a little bit big.
Mixing it
we're
up.
gonna start
Like the
mixing
pink
it.
one. What you did with the pink one, like
You
that
add
made
too
it
much.
big.
Why does it like that? That stupid rabbit. You have to give him out of the basement.
You know she's filming right now.
She has to take that out the basement.
Yeah.
He's stank. His butt stank. I don't know what it is.
The bunny.
Well, I wanna rock with some. It's wet.
Sticky.
This is so wet.
I like the pink one so far. It's my favorite.
This one, that's not pink. Oh yes, it is actually.
Mama, I'll make you a pure purple one, okay?
This one?
What is this one?
It's like a pinkish one.
Is it Boma's purple
No,
color
no, that's
This
yours.
is Boma's.
mixed up?
That's yours actually for you.
Pinky.
What he made else and this
Put the water.
one too. Made this one. Why
The freaking slime. Mommy got tiny. You can make
a
it
little
dot of the slime activator.
You're using like a little bit much. Ah! So liquidy.
Okay, it's so. Wait.
I wanna make shots with somebody.
heavy.
I wanna live with somebody. Ooh.
This is actually our filming table too.
I knew it when I met him. I loved them when I left them. Got me feel like ooh.
Havana.
So squishy now.
Shut up.
This slime is so.
Add a little
Got me
bit.
Pink
feeling like,
and
ooh.
So I'm gonna clean these two plates
Yeah, go clean them, please.
before we start our other,
I don't know where we're gonna put the slime.
That pink container. Just like take
Where you
everything
gonna put
off.
yours?
In there.
Ooh, where you gonna put yours?
I don't got a container. No container. Yeah, but it needs a top.
You could tape it. You could open it. Yeah. Like a life hack.
I'm gonna come back.
Some more water. Some more freaking glue.
And then more, I think more activator. Slime activator.
Okay, that's enough. That's enough glue.
That's enough.
Okay. Oh man.
This is like glossy a little.
You're supposed to be, Brianna.
Glossy.
Achoo!
Whoopsie.
Let me feel like ooh. Then I had to tell him I had to go. Oh na 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 na, Havana, oh na na.
Guys, I'm gonna end the video. And if you guys like this slime video, I hope you like it. My cousin's making slime. So yeah. If you want to know who's making this one, here's my cousin making it. So yeah, I'm gonna end the video. So bye.
Look.
Thomas, my foam.